My experience of vet prac has been excellent. I don't really think of anything that I could possibly add to make the experience better. The tutorials are run really well with excellent educators. The practicals are really thorough and they always have so many educators to come around and help with whatever you're doing, and it really consolidates what you learn in the tutorials. The staff who run it are extremely friendly and very helpful, and overall the days go by really well and they complement each other, so you're never sort of lost with what you're learning and putting into practice. So overall I think really great experience. One specific experience that really stood out to me from the, I think 3 or 4 workshops that I've been to now was at the Abdominal Ultrasound workshop in Darwin. It was a really incredible experience because I've always been super not confident and honestly not very good at ultrasound, and being able to identify the adrenal glands literally on like the first day was the biggest achievement for me, because I'd never even been able to find a kidney, for example, on ultrasound. So yeah, that was a really standout moment for me, because previously I'd been so terrible at ultrasound, and within the first couple of hours I was able to find structures that I would never otherwise be able to find. So that was a really big achievement, and yeah, it really reflects the thorough teaching and practical skills that you learn with vet prac. I would recommend the vet prac practicals and workshops to my colleagues, my friends, honestly anyone who will listen, because I get so much out of them. I'm very much so a hands-on type of learner. Like, I can sit in front of a lecture screen and until the cows come home, but I probably won't retain as much as if I do the activity like hands-on and really getting in there. And I think vet prac provides the perfect opportunity to do that. Everything that you learn in the lectures and consolidated with the practicals. So I find that experience is invaluable in teaching you what you're essentially there to learn. So I find that really getting that hands-on experience is most essential, and I absolutely would recommend it to my friends, colleagues, anyone who will listen.